Hey guys, good morning. Just another quick update on the Forex Ea, basically an overnight session update and how it's doing this morning. It is currently 4:30 a.m. and the account is up to $1,000.82. I think yesterday the account was up to 1,061. I think. Um, as of yesterday to now for the overnight session, it has made $19.95. Again, this is me just not doing anything to the account. It's just the EA working by itself. Only running on gold. I think this is going to be the third day that it's actually running. The third trading day. Um, and so far we are up $19.95 on the overnight session, and then for total we are up currently $104.73, which is actually a little bit more than 10% of what the starting account size was. Um, Starting account size was $978. So we're actually already up over 10% on the starting account size, and it's not even we haven't even finished the third day that this EA has been running for, and we still have basically another full month to go. we started what? We started July 16th. So we started Friday, and we're basically gonna go take this to August 16th next month, and we're gonna see just what it does for like the month of from mid July to August July, just a random, just a random month, right? It's not even a month. It's just mid month to mid month. But yeah, so far, $104. We're just in the beginning of the third day of this Forex Ea running, and the account started at 978. Currently, we are at $1,000.82. I'll see you guys later.